Hey there, rock and roll enthusiasts and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya, a place where the rhythm of paradise meets the beat of rock and roll. Nestled along the stunning coastline of Puerto Aventuras in Mexico's Riviera Maya, this five-star all-inclusive resort is not your average beach getaway. It's a harmonious blend of luxury, music, and tropical bliss that'll have you feeling like a rock star from the moment you arrive. Let's start by setting the stage for your stay. Picture this. You've just touched down in paradise, and as you approach the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya, you're greeted by a massive guitar-shaped fountain that sets the tone for your musical adventure. The resort spans a whopping 80 acres, offering two distinct experiences: the adults-only Heaven section for those looking to escape into tranquility, and the family-friendly Hacienda area, where the young and young at heart can rock out together. Now let's talk about where you'll be laying your head after a day of sun, sand, and sick guitar solos. The Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya boasts an impressive 1,264 rooms, split between the Heaven and Hacienda sections. These aren't just any rooms, they're your backstage pass to luxury. Whether you're in a spacious junior suite or living it up in a multi-bedroom family suite, you're in for a treat. Each room is decked out with rock-inspired decor that'll make you feel like you're on tour with your favorite band. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, stepping out onto your private balcony or terrace to take in breathtaking ocean or lush garden views. Inside, you'll find all the amenities fit for a rock god or goddess. We're talking flat-screen TVs with premium channels, a minibar that's restocked daily, because hydration is key when you're living the rock and roll lifestyle, and Wi-Fi that's faster than a guitar riff. Need your caffeine fix? No problem. You've got a coffee maker or espresso machine right in your room. And let's not forget the bathrooms. They're so spacious and luxurious. You might be tempted to write your next hit single in there. But here's where it gets really cool. Depending on which section you're in, you get exclusive access to certain areas. Staying in Heaven? You've got adults-only pools and spa facilities at your fingertips. Booked into Hacienda? Get ready for family-friendly fun with water parks and teen clubs nearby. It's like having an all-access pass to the best parts of the resort. Now I know what you're thinking, but what about the food? Well, my hungry friends, prepare your taste buds for a culinary world tour. The Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. With 9 restaurants and 9 bars and lounges, you could eat at a different spot every day of your vacation and still not try them all. From fine dining steakhouses serving up cuts that would make even the toughest rocker weak in the knees, to Mexican cuisine that'll have you saying "mas por favor" before you've even finished your plate. Craving some Asian fusion? They've got you covered with sushi and wok dishes that'll transport your taste buds across the globe. And don't even get me started on the bars. Whether you're looking for a quiet cocktail by the pool or a lively night out, there's a spot for every mood. Just remember, dress codes can vary, so pack accordingly. You might want to leave your ripped jeans and band tees for the daytime and pack something a bit snazzier for dinner. Speaking of pools, let's dive into the aquatic offerings at this rockin' resort. The Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya doesn't just have one pool. Oh no, they've got 5. That's right, 5 pools to choose from, each with its own vibe. In the Heaven section, you'll find quiet, adults-only pools perfect for lounging with a good book or working on that tan. Over in Hacienda, it's all about family fun with pools featuring water park elements that'll have the kids, and let's be honest, the adults too, squealing with delight. And if you're more of an ocean person, you're in luck. The resort boasts a beautiful stretch of sandy beach along the Caribbean Sea. Picture yourself lounging on a beach chair, sipping a tropical drink, and watching the waves roll in. It's the perfect spot to relax and recharge between all the activities the resort has to offer. Speaking of activities, water sports enthusiasts will be thrilled with the options available. From snorkeling in the crystal clear waters to kayaking and paddleboarding, there's no shortage of ways to make a splash. But the fun doesn't stop at the water's edge. The Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya is all about keeping you entertained, whether you're looking to relax or rock out. Let's start with the spa. This isn't just any spa. It's a 75-cabin oasis of relaxation. Imagine indulging in massages, facials, and body treatments inspired by local traditions. It's the perfect way to unwind after a day of living it up like a rock star. And if you're looking to keep up with your fitness routine or work off some of those delicious meals, the resort's fitness center has got you covered with cardio machines, free weights, and classes to keep you in top form. Now let's talk about what really sets this place apart: the entertainment. True to its hard rock roots, the resort features weekly live performances and concerts that'll have you dancing the night away. From tribute bands to up-and-coming artists, the music never stops. And if you're traveling with little ones, don't worry. The Hacienda section has a kids club with daily activities to keep them entertained while you're off living your best rock and roll life. For those of you traveling with the family, the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya has gone above and beyond to ensure that even the youngest guests have an unforgettable experience. The Rock City Kids Club is a paradise for children, offering a wide range of supervised activities that blend fun and learning. From rockstar dress-up sessions and karaoke contests to arts and crafts inspired by famous musicians, your little ones will be living out their own rock and roll fantasies. Teenagers haven't been forgotten either. The Music Lab is a cool hangout spot where they can learn to DJ, form a band, or even create their own music video. It's the perfect place for budding musicians to hone their skills and make new friends. And for those days when the whole family wants to hang out together, there are plenty of options. How about a game of mini golf or a family karaoke session? The resort even offers special family-friendly shows and events, ensuring that there's never a dull moment for guests of all ages. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I want to explore beyond the resort. Well, you're in luck because the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya is perfectly situated for adventure. Just a short drive away, you'll find the vibrant town of Playa del Carmen, where you can shop till you drop, sample local cuisine, or dance the night away at one of the many clubs. For a dose of culture and history, the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum are about 40 kilometers away, a must-visit for any history buff or Instagram enthusiast. Nature lovers won't want to miss Xcaret Eco Theme Park, located just 10 kilometers from the resort. It's a magical place where you can swim in underground rivers, see exotic wildlife, and learn about Mexican culture and traditions. And if you're feeling really adventurous, the concierge can help you arrange excursions to nearby cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal clear water, or snorkeling trips to see the incredible Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. So, what's the verdict on the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya? Well, if you're looking for a vacation that combines luxury, entertainment, and a hefty dose of rock and roll spirit, you've hit the jackpot. The resort's attention to detail is impressive, from the music memorabilia scattered throughout the property to the themed amenities in each room. The staff are consistently praised for their friendliness and professionalism, always ready to go the extra mile to make your stay unforgettable. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.